Hello dear students, welcome back to my science class. As we have already completed the chapter Combustion and Flame, it is time to revise the chapter quickly. So let's take a quick quiz. After the questions will appear on your screen, you will get exactly 5 seconds to write down your answer. You can write down only the options too. End of the test, don't forget to write down your score in the comment section as well. So let's start it. Question number 1. The coal burns with option A flame, option B only glow, option C both flame and glow, option D none of this. So your time starts now. Here is the answer. Option B only glow. Let's move to the question number 2. Like fuel, the sun also provides heat and light. The process taking place in the sun is called A. Combustion, B. Nuclear process, C. Burning, D. All of this. Quickly write down the option. And here is your answer. Option B, it's a nuclear process. Next question. Burning of charcoal in a closed room will produce option A carbon dioxide, option B nitrogen dioxide, option C carbon monoxide, option D all of these. So quickly choose your option. Time up, and the answer is answer C carbon monoxide, because we know that burning of charcoal in a closed room will result into incomplete combustion. Next question. The substance which have very low ignition temperature will catch fire easily, will not catch fire after some time, or none of this. Time up. Option is answer A. Next question. CNG and LPG are the examples of A. Solid fuels, B. Liquid fuels, C. Gaseous fuels, D. They are not fuels. It's a very easy question. Time up. Answer is C. It is gaseous fuel. We know the full form. CNG is compressed natural gas and LPG is liquefied petroleum gas. Next question. Ignition temperature is lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire, or highest temperature at which a substance catches fire, or any temperature, none of the above options. I hope all of you have already chosen the correct option, and the answer is option A. It is the lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire. Next question. Combustion is a chemical process, physical process, both of these processes, or none of these processes? Obviously, answer is option A. It is a chemical process. Moving on to the next question. What is the main chemical component present in striking surface of a matchbox? Option A potassium chlorate, option B red phosphorus, option C potassium, option D graphite. Time up. Let's see the answer. Yes, you are right. It is option B red phosphorus. Moving to the next question. When sufficient oxygen is not available, combustion of methane's formula is CH3, produces dash gas and water, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon monoxide, or it is carbon dioxide. Let's check the answer quickly. Yes, you are right. The answer is carbon monoxide because insufficient oxygen is present. Moving to the next question, when a cracker is ignited, a sudden reaction takes place with the evolution of heat, light and sound. Identify the type of combustion. Option A, random combustion. Option B, rapid combustion. Option C, spontaneous combustion. Or option D, explosion. Time started. I hope you have chosen the correct answer. Let's check it out. Yes, it is option D, explosion. Next, question number 11. The combustion reaction which occurs on its own without any external supply of heat is called option A, explosion, option B, spontaneous combustion, option C, fire, option D, rapid combustion. Your time starts. Time up. Correct answer is option B, spontaneous combustion. Next, the efficiency of a fuel is expressed in terms of its option A, density, option B, calorific value, option C, volume, option D, purity. You have to choose the most suitable answer. Time up. Answer B, calorific value. Moving to the next question, question number 13. The SI unit of the calorific value of a fuel is option A, Newton per kg, option B, kilojoule per kg, option C, kilowatt per kg, option D, joule per kg. Your time starts now. And the correct option is, of course, option B, kilojoule per kg. Next, question number 14. The middle zone of a candle flame is also called the zone of dash combustion. A, spontaneous, B, rapid, C, partial, D, complete. Time up. And this is a very easy question. Answer is option C, partial combustion, because middle zone doesn't get sufficient oxygen to undergo complete combustion. Last question of the day. When magnesium ribbon burnt, it produces option A, magnesium hydroxide, option B, magnesium oxide, option C, magnesium chloride, option D, magnesium sulfate. Time up. Answer is, obviously you all are right, B, magnesium oxide. Don't forget to write down your score now. I am confident that all of you have done really well. Thank you.